In this video, I will discuss about the latest features, and we will also visit the dashboard and see what kind of feature they are implement in the system. You can purchase it from here uh, and install it for yourself to transform your business into digital one. Let's check. The YOORI eCommerce marketplace currently has 656 sales and it has 4.38 reviews. It seems quite well. It has admin panel, seller panel, user app, delivery app, website, and seller app is upcoming. We can see there has a multiple apps and websites also. It has multiple payment gateway newly added. YOORI marketplace, it up to 3x faster. It's made by Vue.js. You can see it is a SPA application, so it will run smoothly in your browser without reloading the page. It's made with Laravel framework. It has many unique features. Product description is as well as quite good. It has 7 easy payment gateway ready to and upcoming and more. Order process is also quite good. And they have so much feature in their list. Let's check them all. Okay, let's check their demo. They have multiple product type, shipping type also. It's unique because it is a PWA enabled e-commerce. It's PWA means you can install the website in your home screen, so that when you need to access the website, you can simply tap on the shortcut icon, you can go through their site. It's PWA enabled e-commerce. Latest framework, single page application, free vendor seller system add-on, all necessary features available for every business. It's promising little bit. It has many security protection as well. The last update was 17 April. They maintain their product quite long. Let's check the demo. It has a very beautiful interface. The message is also quite good. It is very much interesting for those who can take the customer's email for them to notify their customers. Its feature is quite good. It's there. You can see the page is not reloading. It's a single page application, so their description is quite well. They have seller system. You can chat with their seller by signing to register yourself. You have buy now button and add to cart option as well. Let's check a color and click on the buy now. Okay, it's do not add it to the cart, it's just check into my collect orders. Let's proceed to payment. Choose the billing address. Okay, let's add okay, that's mean you can choose there, you can make order without signing or register yourself. It's a quite good feature. It seems very promising. Let's check out the dashboard to make this to make more clear about this script. Let's see. Yeah, you can log in from here also. Yeah, they have quite good dashboard. You can see many features are available with add-ons. The orders section, you can find all of your orders. They are also separated, and the orders are also separated by their categories. They have also POS system, AI assistant. They have also product catalog. This is a very basic feature of the e-commerce website. They have multiple options to relate to the product. They have also wholesale options, customers. You can manage your customers from here. You can add customer, can manage themselves or edit their information from here. Wallet request, anyone can request wallet. You can accept or reject it from here. Sellers, all seller information will be displayed here. By the way, you can get all the seller add-ons with pre-built. That means you do not need to buy the seller add-on separately. Seller package, seller can subscribe to your package and they use your marketplace to list their product. You have also delivery man's options. You can handle your delivery addresses from here. You can add media from your media library. The media library is quite good. You can store your image and later you can edit or update and use it in your product also. There are many other section also. There reports, process PWA, refund. It's quite good. Marketing, blog, support, chat manager. It's huge. You can it's quite good. You can, if you want to start your e-commerce business, YOORI eCommerce is so much is quite good to integrate it in your business. If you need any customization setup, you can contact us. You can also contact the admin as well. But we are offering the customization of any of the Code Canyon script. You can only contact us and our dedicated expert team will help you to customize the script for you. Thank you for watching the video. Hope we will give you more update regarding this script and keep you updated. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.